Hey everyone, welcome back to lizfenwickdiy. In today's video, we are doing Halloween hacks that you need to know. And I want to thank today's sponsor, JCPenney, for helping me with today's video. And these are things that you can do within 30 minutes. You guys know that I love getting ready for fall, but I also think it's important to switch things up just a little bit for Halloween. My kids love it so much, so I like to do a few things around the house so that they feel kind of that Halloween vibe. Transitioning to Halloween does not have to be hard. I'm gonna share my hacks with you for an easy way to transition to Halloween in 30 minutes or less. All right, hack one is picking one area of your house to decorate. We spend a lot of time getting all of our fall decorations out, and for me, I don't really want to do everything. So what I did was I decided to focus on my fireplace because it's the center of my house and it has the biggest impact. All the decor that I'm going to be using on my fireplace is from JCPenney, and I will put a link down in the description box so you can find all the products that I'm putting up. The reason that I love JCPenney for their home decor is everything is ready to go and I could just put it on my mantle in no time. So I'm gonna start up on my mantle, and I picked up this really adorable witch picture from JCPenney. The cool thing about this picture is it's nice and big, but it also lights up. And then to add a little bit more decor to this side, I'm going to add some black faux books and then just a few pumpkins scattered around. On the other side of my mantle, I have this adorable witch hat sign from JCPenney, and I just think it's like the perfect height for a mantle. I also grabbed one of their small jack-o'-lantern pumpkins, and you guys aren't gonna believe these light up and they literally look like disco balls. My kids love these. Then at the bottom of my mantle, I'm going to add this adorable galvanized tin pumpkin. If you're into farmhouse, this is perfect for you. And then I'm also going to add two more jack-o'-lanterns. I have a larger one and a small one. And of course, they light up as well. To soften this look up, I thought adding in some pillows would be nice. So I'm using my wooden basket that I already had on hand, and then I'm going to be adding in 3 pillows from JCPenney. And I think that they're just the perfect little accent to this whole vignette. Next to the basket, I'm going to add a trick or treat sign, and this sign hangs up and it's got a nice little hanger on it. But my trick, if you want to put it down on your fireplace, is just to set something behind there. I'm going to be setting a clear little vase, and then the sign will just set up in front of it. I think everything looks adorable as is, but to kick it up just a little notch, I thought it'd be fun to add some bats to the fireplace. To make these bats, it's super simple. What you need to do is you need some black cardstock. You also need double-sided tape and a bat template. I will link in the description box the template that I used. So the first thing you're gonna do is just cut your bat template out. From there, just fold your cardstock in half, put your bat template on top, and then you're just going to trace around the bat template and cut it out. I made a total of 9 bats to put on my fireplace, and then another project I'm going to show you a bit later. And to attach these, it's really simple, you guys. All you need is a little bit of double-sided sticky tape on the back, and then you just stick them to the fireplace. These stay up, and I suggest getting like the good double-sided sticky tape. I feel like it may work a little bit better, but as you can see, these have been up for a couple of days now on my fireplace, and they are holding so strong. I just feel like these are adorable, and it's just a good finishing touch to my fireplace. All right, you guys, my fireplace took me 15 minutes to complete. What do you think? Okay, so hack number 2 is making fun Halloween snacks for your kids. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not much of a cook, but I do love making fun things for my kids. So I have some simple tricks for you that won't take long at all. So the first thing we're gonna make are some cute little string cheese ghosts. My kids love string cheese, they take them to school with them. So I'm just going to use a black Sharpie and make little ghost face on my string cheese. And so simple, but kids will love putting these in their lunch boxes or taking as snack. So my younger daughter, Caroline, loves mandarin oranges. So I saw this on Pinterest and I just thought it was such a cute idea. So what you do is using that same black Sharpie, you're going to make a little jack-o'-lantern face on the top of the mandarin orange cups. And my kids came out, they thought this was so fun. They grabbed Sharpies and they started doing this with me. So I think this is a great activity for your kids to get involved with. And now she has cute little fruit cups to take with her to school for snack. Okay, so for hack number 3, we're gonna go back to those bats. And I'm gonna show you how I did my spooky lamp bats. So I'm gonna leave out 2 of those bats that I made. And then you just need any lamp. And what you're going to do is you're gonna take your double-sided sticky tape and you're actually going to tape it to the front side of your bat, but it really doesn't matter because you know, either side will work. And then you're going to stick it inside of a lamp and just make sure that it's pressed really firmly to the lampshade. And then for me, I put 2 of these bats in there. And so you could do all the way around, you could do as many as you want. But it's so fun whenever you turn on your light or your kids turn on your light, it looks like a spooky little bat inside of the lamp. All right, hack number 4 is a stovetop potpourri. So I don't know about you, but when I have company over or just even in the fall, I love fall smells. And you can get these by candles, but sometimes they don't really go throughout your whole house. This stovetop potpourri, whenever I start it up, it lasts for several days and I just love the way it smells. So on Halloween or when we have people over, I love to do this. So this is so easy. What you're gonna need is just a big, large pot that you can set on your stove and fill it with probably, I would say like 2 or 3 inches of water. You really don't need that much. So next you need 1 orange and 1 apple, and you're just simply going to slice them. Now you're gonna add your contents to your pot. So I did a few drops of vanilla extract. And then from there, I just laid the orange and apple slices into my pot. I'm also going to add in 3 cinnamon sticks and a handful of cloves. So after you add in the cloves, just turn it on simmer, and in about 2 hours, your house is going to be smelling so good. And literally you can leave this on all day long. I even start it like the next day or so, and I still, like, it still smells amazing. So I love doing this. I would love to know what you guys do to get ready for Halloween. Let's share down below in the comments so we can give each other some great suggestions for Halloween. If you guys are interested in any of the JCPenney products that I showed in the video, I will link them all in the description box below. And if you're new to my channel, make sure that you're subscribed, and I'll post our last DIY here so you can go watch it next. And I'll talk to you guys in our next one. Bye.